Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching our daily dog care training video. When you first arrive, please remember to clock in, put on an apron or a scrub top, and your name tag. Dogs are lined up in order based on inside kennel proximity to the door. The closest dog goes to the farthest outside kennel, and so on. Watch for kennel designations like covered kennel. Use a leash or lead at all times during transfers. Most supplies are found in the dog rooms: poop scoopers, rescue system, brushes, hoses, and squeegees. Other supplies like gloves and boots are in the storage or kitchen areas. You will be spot cleaning when the kennel is generally clean and there is no heavy waste or excessive hair. Start by removing empty bowls and toys, rinse and refill water, sweep debris, and refresh bedding and toys. You will deep clean when there's poop, pee, or gravel present, heavy shedding, or a kennel change. You will start by removing all items, scooping and flushing the poop, and doing any sweeping necessary. Use rescue to scrub and disinfect all surfaces. Squeegee floors and drains. Replace beds, toys, and add clean bedding. Water bowls should always be refreshed before dogs return to their kennels. Feeding instructions are on the whiteboard outside the kitchen. Meals are usually dropped after the dogs are brought back in. Keep an eye out for symptoms such as lethargy, sneezing or discharge, refusing food, unusual stool or urination, or reactive behavior. If medications are involved, volunteers should never administer them. Staff will handle that. If you notice something, notify staff or fill out an animal concern form. Once dog care is complete, sweep and mop the room, empty trash into dumpsters, and take any soiled laundry and dishes to their proper areas. If you're injured during your shift, even if the skin isn't broken, please let a staff member know and they will get you proper paperwork. Thank you for your care and dedication. You can now sign up to do the in-person daily dog care training.